me check my
यार
live.
पार गया हार
Tweet. Mm, just let me check. Hello, hello. Let me check if I'm audible or not. Hello, hello. Yeah, right, done. Okay, so let's check on gold. Okay, as we all know, gold is like super bullish. You could have planned some trades and executed it on it as well. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, done. Right. So, actually, I had planned some trades in gold and I executed on it. So, let me explain how. Let's start with daily itself. Uh, for the structure of gold in daily, as we all know, it's fully bullish. After the structure, this is a breakout, and yeah, as a metal, it should always move up. So I planned a trade somewhere here. The reason is, see, how to know when the volume is getting down on in some bias, So if we are bullish on something, like if candles are printing like this, I'm not drawing any no, the wicks and all. I'm just drawing the candles, okay, the body. So what's difference in this and what's difference in this? Let's see. Yeah, okay, and this one, yeah. Okay, so what is the difference in these two structures, so if you check out the first structure here, uh, for the first candle the volume was way too high in the buy direction, and again the same with the second candle. But if you look at the third candle, the volume is a bit low as compared to previous two candles. So in this type of situations, you should avoid taking buys. You should wait for a retracement or something like this, or maybe you can predict for the next candle which can come down here. And if you found some kind of structure here, previous structures, then we can have a good buy side trade somewhere from this zone. So yeah, that's how you should identify the volume and the trend, you know. And if you see in the second type of structure, the volume here, the volume here, the volume here, it's kind of a same or a bit increasing. So you can wait for a retracement in smaller time frame. You can directly take buys from like here or something like this, or wait for a candle to form, to come down to form a week, and then go with the direction. Okay, so actually I don't trade reversals, so this is the plan, and this is what happened here as well. Let me delete this. Yeah. Because if you see here, the candles were printing in the buy direction with a bigger volume, and I was waiting for a retracement, and for this candle, which was on 4th of September, came down and took a liquidity, you can say, or a retracement, and then it should move up, right? So that was simple on daily time frame. But to take entry in real time, you should wait for a structure to form, or a previous structure to have an entry on. So let's check. Okay, on 4 hour as well, if you see, on 4 hour as well, if you see, look at these candles, small candles, and after three small candles, fourth candle came down and took out the liquidity of previous one or two candles, and then formed an upside hammer type, and then it went bullish. So this is what I was waiting for on daily time frame, and that just happened. But somewhat like this, not always completely. Yeah. Okay, so on 4 hour time frame, if you see the structure, we were bullish, and then we had a retracement. I was waiting for something to create here, and that's what's happened. We'll see it in lower time frame. I'm explaining some simple things which works in the market, so we are not going to learn any SMC concept or any theoretical concepts and that. Okay, so if you see, we got a bull moment, and then a little bit of consolidation, price came down and then went up. I was waiting for it to come down. It was falling, like like people were thinking now the gold will crash and all those things. But yeah, okay, after this, actually you can call it an fib retracement as well. Some people take trades on fib retracement, like it was somewhere around 0.61. But yeah, it's a bit risky, so wait to form and structure, and then entering would be an great option, right? So yeah, so as price came down, it was like not much moving, in the buy direction or the sell direction as well. Then it formed a resistance over here. Let me go to 30-minute and 5th, then we'll move on. Yeah, so it has formed a resistance, kind of a resistance here, and as we seen in daily time frame, I was waiting for a retracement. So as that fall, wait, yeah, so if you see in daily time frame, I was waiting for this retracement. So as this fall came, I was not looking for any kind of a sell direction position. I was completely in the buy direction. I mean, my mind was completely in the buy side direction. So I was waiting for a retracement, and that's what happened here. So you should have a clear mind before entering any trade and looking for an opportunity, right? Okay, so after this resistance, wait, what happened here? Yeah, after forming this resistance, I was waiting for it to come down or go up, break it, and then I will take and trade in on retracement of this same resistance, right? So yeah, I was waiting for some kind of structure to happen like this. The thing happened here. So if you see, for my entry signal, I always wait for an engulfing candle, or I wait for an hammer type of confirmations. But this should be on 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, or it's greater on 4 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, that's always better. So I was waiting for something to happen like that, and it happened just right here. The price has formed the upside hammer. You can see it here. So after this, I was waiting for a little bit of retracement, and then I exactly entered on this zone, and I kept my SL below this structure. Actually, what people think, after taking a buy, keeping an SL below the previous low or some kind of structure. So actually, so many people keep their SLs there. So price will actually, it happens so many times that price will take that SLs as a liquidity, and then it will move in your direction. So it's always better to keep your SL a little bit more spacey than what you think. So yeah, I kept my SL below this below this structure, below this structure. It depends on your risk to reward as well, but I usually work on 1 2 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 5. I sometimes I take 1 2 3 1 2 4 as well, but yeah, mostly I look for 1 to 1 1 to 2. After 1 to 2 and after 1 to 1 you can have your partials and break evens and all that. Okay, so yeah, I was waiting for this break, and after this bullish hammer I was waiting for retracement, and just after this retracement I entered in this trade. You may see this trend line over here. I just drawn it because I wanted to see if it breaks the trend line, how the price acts, so sometimes after looking at candles and the formation of candles, you can easily feel that if the volume is with you or against you. So that's why I use trend lines and all those. But yeah, you can ignore them as well. You just for trend purpose or kind of support purpose. Okay, so price were completely bullish. Let's see it on 1 hourly time frame. Yeah, look at this. I was expecting this type of candles. I was expecting these types of candles, where I already explained you that after back to back buy side candles, we can expect a retracement and then a bull side movement. So if you see this one candle, first candle, second candle, third candle, so you can feel it like on the third or fourth candle we have lost some kind of volume towards the upside trade. So I was waiting for that retracement, and I was expecting it as well. So after this retracement, there was no stopping for the price to take our TP. Okay, so let me go to 4 hours as well. Right. Okay, here. If you see back to back three candles, I mean, not for only three candles or four candles. It's not a number of candles. It's just the body of the candles. You can see bullish moment, a little bit smaller side of bullish candle, and then we have a retracement, then bullish candle, then we again had a retracement, and then boom. This is what happens in the market, and it's just just to decide your side, just to decide your bias. So yeah, and I use this EMAs 9 and 15 just for resistance or support purpose, just for an extra confirmation towards your bias. Let's see. Okay, so actually I think it took 2 days somewhere around to give my TP. Let's see, where is it? 4th September to 5th, somewhere around 2 days, right? So we should wait for that TP to come as well, which was around 320 pip with the SL of 13. So it's somewhere around 1 to 2.5, which is a good RR, I think. You think so? You should. Okay, after this we got a bullish moment. Right now we are here. Okay, I had taken a previous trade over here as well. I got one loss. Yeah, let's check on it as well. The price was, so if you see, I had not taken trade in this region. I had not taken trade in this region as well. I could have taken. I had not taken trade in this region, and then again I had not taken any trade in this region. So you should know when to enter and when to look for an opportunity to get into. So yeah, don't just get in the flow. You should wait for an perfect entry which aligns with your strategies and all those things, and then you should enter. Right, so let's see what happened here. Actually, I guess I've taken a scalp over here. Yeah, it was a scalp. Right. Okay. Okay, the reason behind taking this sell was this big candle, this big selling candle, which has shown a potential selling side moment. Actually, I was waiting for this moment to happen. Wait. I missed on this trade, so I entered after the move. Yeah, actually this should have taken here. I was waiting for this, but I missed it, and then again I took entry over here, and then I booked an SL. So yeah, this was the zone. Wait, whatever. Something happened, right? Okay. Then okay. So this was the zone of an support. I was waiting for it to break. It broke below. Then it makes sense to take a sell over here or put your TP somewhere around this zone, which is exactly tapped. So this was my intention, but yeah, I missed it and I re-entered here. We should not call it re-enter, but yeah, and I was expecting this, but yeah, the technicals are perfect, but entry was late. So next time we are gonna do it, we should avoid it. Okay, and then after that I've taken this buy side trade, which is because of okay, look at this. I have not entered somewhere around this zone for the buying because of these big candles, and after these big candles we can see the potential volume towards the sell side was decreasing. 1 2 back to back 2 candles, and I was hoping that it will again get that all-time high. So as we all know, the world is completely bullish from previous some months. So let me give it to 30 minutes how to enter the trade. Let me show you. So if we look at here, I had only 2 entry signals, which is an hammer or an engulfing candle. So here I traded on an engulfing candle here. So after this bullish engulfing candle, you see here, after closing this, I have taken a trade here. I kept my SL here, not here. Okay, I have not kept my SL somewhere around this zone because I knew that this price can easily come down and tap this, and then it will give my move. So why to waste it? That's why I kept my SL somewhere around this zone, because of this structure. If you see this structure, wait. If you see this structure, I kept my SL somewhere around that structures. So yeah, give your SL a little bit of room, and then then you'll definitely see much more better results. So giving a space to your SL is a good thing, for the beginners at least. And this was 1 to 2.7 something. It was good trade as well. So let's look for what's happening right now. Yeah, okay. So I'm actually for the swing trades. It's not an ideal area to enter, but if you look at this candle, we can expect for the next candle to go bullish as well, but it's risky. I mean, where will you put your SL? I mean, if you took somewhere buy some buy around this zone and keep SL here and what? So yeah, this is not an ideal area to enter and buy for swing. We can try for some scalp. This is the zone, but we are at all-time high and we don't have much data to look previous. So let's just act on what's acting. Done. Okay, so we are moving above this trend line. We are moving above this trend line. We are above the EMA. We are completely bullish from the morning. We have a resistance zone. We have tapped it. We are moving bullish. Oh no, it's just there's nothing. You can't take a trade over here. But yeah, if you want to take, go for buys. If after every retracement, retracement, buy, retracement, buy, retracement, buy. That's what is happening over here. So you should wait. You should watch. This is the gold's all-time high. Over here, the gold's all-time high, and I definitely expect it to get broken in next few candles like this. It can easily happen. Okay, we're looking for some scalping trades. I'm not sure. Okay, let's wait. If this comes down for a bit, we can have for entry plan somewhere around this to go up. So yeah, that was it. So some simple things which you can use. There's no rocket science in it, and yeah, we can have some losses, and that's learning. Look forward to take big profits like these, and so much more. Okay, so that's for it. Thank you.